Judge me, O Yahuah, for I have walked in my integrity. I have trusted also in Yahuah, therefore I shall not slide. Examine me, O Yahuah, prove me, try my mind and my heart, for your loving kindness is before my eyes, and I have walked in your truth. I have not sat with vain persons, neither will I go in with dissemblers. I have hated the assembly of evil doers, and will not sit with the wicked. I will wash my hands in innocency, so will I compass your altar, O Yahuah, that I may publish with the voice of thanksgiving, tell of all your wondrous works. Yahuah, I have loved the habitation of your house, and the place where your honor dwells. Gather not my soul with sinners, nor my life with bloody